Streaks on your windshield? That can be a problem. When you're up against rain and road debris that compromise your visibility, you need a wiper blade that delivers a long-lasting, clean wipe. Peak Optics beam wiper blades deliver just that, because they're engineered for 2 times the durability of standard blades, with exceptional cleaning power. They're equipped with beam blade technology that enables the blade to conform to the shape of your windshield to maximize pressure across the length of the blade. By hugging your windshield, Peak Optics wiper blades provide optimal contact other blade technologies simply can't match. Moreover, Peak Optics wiper blades are built to last, with a unique heavy-duty spoiler that shields the blade from snow and ice buildup, and a long-lasting, precision-cut dual synthetic rubber that resists heat, cold, humidity, ozone, and UV rays. This advanced all-weather technology also means your Peak Optics wiper blades will stand up to everything Mother Nature throws at you, providing year-round visibility in even the most extreme conditions. What more could you want from a wiper blade? An easy snap universal connector system for quick and easy installation, and blades available in lengths of 15 to 28 inches? Done. Peak Optics wiper blades. Performance you can see.